Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Angelina Ballerina in DTI. It's giving grace, glam, and mouse main character energy. In this DTI guide, I'm recreating the iconic Angelina Ballerina looks with soft pastel ballerina buns and tutu realness that screams balletcore perfection. If you want to recreate this one, let me show you how. So first, you can just use a white skin tone because you're recreating the white mouse. And here, this is the look for the makeup that I'm using this makeup set. And then for the hair, I'm going to use this updo hair in here, color it all white. And then I'm going to combine it with this updo also in white. So once the hair is done, you can start creating the outfit. So first I'm going to go to this shelf in here. So first I'm going to put on this top, change the color into pink with matte texture and combine it with this top in here also in same pink color. Then this top. Okay, now you are done with the hair. I'm going to grab the shoe and color it pink like the top. And here I'm going to use this ballerina skirt using the same color. And then you can go to the dressing room because there are code items that you need to use. First, you can grab this skirt in here to change the color into pink for the first and second one, and the third one you can use the soft pink color like this. And you're going to put on this ear ears and change the color to white, and the second one into the soft pink color. Okay, now you're just going to put on some accessory. First, you're going to grab this whiskers and then this bows in here, toggle it into type 3 and adjust the size and also the position. So this is the final look. If you have key details, you can also put it on, but I don't have it, so I'm going to skip that. But that's basically it. This is the Angelina Ballerina look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.